nǹkan mẹ́ta ló ṣe kókó ló ṣe pàtàkì nínú ayé ọmọ ẹ̀dá. The first one is to be kind. The second one is to be kind to yourself. And the third one is to be kind to others. And nǹkan mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta yìí náà ni gbogbo religion tó wà ní Nigerian preach, which is a Christian, a Muslim, and a traditional religion. They pay kindness to humanity. So, gbogbo nǹkan mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta tí mo wá sọ, to be kind to yourself and to be kind to others. Mi ní nǹkan kan ṣe pẹ̀lú méjì náà. And ẹyọ kan ni mo ní nǹkan ṣe tó jẹ́ pàtàkì sí mi, which is being kind to ara wa. Mo ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ lénìí. Because how can we give something we don't have? Báwo ni a ṣe fẹ́ wà kind to others when we are not even kind to ourselves? Báwo la ṣe fẹ́ gbìyànjú fún others nígbà tí a gbìyànjú fúnra wa? This video is not about tourism and it's not about history. Basically, it's about me and you. But ibi tí mo wà is a tourist site. Tẹ́ pé tẹ́ bá wẹ̀ ìmì ò nìyẹn. Ó wá star wà níbi tí mo wà. And I will still màá ṣì lọ sókè ẹ̀ màá tún yà látòkè continuation video yìí. Being kind to ourselves comes in different ways. Ọ̀nà oríṣiríṣi ni being kind máa ń gbà wá. So if mo mọ̀ pé majorly almost gbogbo wa la máa ń criticize ara basically when things are, maybe there can sọ pé almost gbogbo wa la máa ń rò nǹkan burúkú nípa ara wa tí nǹkan bá lọ bá ṣe fẹ́. A máa ń rò oríṣiríṣi nǹkan burúkú nípa ara wa pé báwo ni mo ṣe fẹ́ ṣe léyìí, báwo ni mo ṣe fẹ́ ṣe tó. And sometimes a máa ń rò pé àwọn ti tán fún wa and some other things. So if you are the type tó bá jẹ́ pé èyí jẹ́ tó máa ń go out sára ẹ̀, then this video is for you. Like mo kàn fẹ́ rán wa létí pé tá bá go out fún ara wa ó máa ń fa burnout. And speaking of burnout, over 2 months now mo ti wà burnout. Maybe you can say first stage because it's not that serious. I'm still coping with all the things, but writing and stuff, I find it really difficult to write. To write anything, sometimes to pick up my camera and do a video like this, difficult for me. So Buba Shiwaje, Kubami, manager, is the most important thing. I'm trying out to sell video. I pick up my camera today, even my laptop, with a mission to do a video and to start writing something, which to me is in a very long time, in 2 months or something. My laptop, me, can share anything creative for me, not even for others now. For me, I've not done anything creative apart from editing my videos. So I pick up my camera and it will be the same thing. Because sometimes, so many times, I want to pick up camera with me within the last 2 years. Because so many times, I want to pick up camera within the last 2 years and we'll end up lots of with me on at the same time. So I just want to tell you our exercise to try a lot to practice after a very tough burnout for over 60-70 days. That is for 2 months. Around what I'm try out to explain for you. So if you are the type that go hard on yourself, I'll say it again, this video is for you. The number one thing I started talking nice to myself. I don't know how to explain that to you, but let me just try to explain it. The same tone tí mo fi máa ń bá wọn tí mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀, wọn ni mo fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bára mi sọ̀rọ̀. Gbogbo alamọ tone ni, you know the tone tí èèyàn máa fi ń bára ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀, tí máa fi ń bá wọn tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Ó yàtọ̀ sí tone tí wàá fi bá ẹni tí o wà concerned about ẹni yẹn. So speaking nice to myself helped me. Ó jẹ́ kí n achieve nǹkan tí mo ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. and that's number one thing to share. And number two ni pé mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní focus lórí àwọn nǹkan tó positive nínú ọjọ́. Because so many times, okay, ẹ jẹ́ kí n fún yín example, YouTube for instance. Sometimes a máa ṣe video yẹn máa ní over 40 likes, but tó bá jàjà ní one dislike, you will be worried pé ta ni ẹni tó lè dislike video yìí, kí ni mo ṣe wrong. Instead of ká focus lórí other 20 people to like a video yẹn, focus àmọ́ lórí dislike ọkọ̀ tí video yẹn ní. I did a video sometimes ago about the Yorubas, how powerful are they. Ní day one tí mo upload video yẹn, mo rí dislike, not even dislike, mo rí téèyàn kan subscribe látòrí video yẹn. Lára èèyàn tó ti subscribe sí channel tẹ́lẹ̀, wọ́n subscribe lórí video, and I was worried. In fact, ibi tí mo wà worried dé, mo fẹ́ delete video yẹn. Mo kọ ṣáà someone encourage pé kí n fi sílẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ wo video náà máa fi sí òkè bíbá yìí. So mo kọ ṣáà someone encourage pé kí n fi sílẹ̀. And the video yẹn ní bóyá 80 views in a week, only be 80 views. But I ignore it, like and I won't lie to you, just last month, video personally picked me and it has that same video to there be put on your off to you unsubscribe to the channel. Video means of me only over 20 something thousand views, and that 24 something thousand views gave me over 500 subscribers, 520 something at the last time to check. So lórí video, which means in every 40 clicks, see video any subscriber and come wala to rep, analyze video media basically, and that's huge. I mean, for my own channel to help a specific group of people Basoro know the entire world because of a dating salary channel. So I mean that's huge. The multi-con my focus my focus story positive things and let negative things go low. I later realized something where those that mind don't matter, and those that matters don't mind. So I will employ you with another thing. Forget about the bad things to share during the day. Focus on the good things and go to bed with the good things to share during the day. And the third thing to my soul, it's the third thing to my soul is in what sunny berry. Sometimes being kind is not always being kind to yourself, like as we sunny bear. Sometimes a little gesture to others, like smile, see one, you look beautiful today. It goes a very long way, I yell me. And one thing, the same way T often treat I want to cook. Being on the same way, if I treat it, I think it's just a normal thing. It's just a normal principle. This life is too deep, and I want to go deep on it. My song, Karen, in the video, it will be to me. You will be to my why is the highest point in Ibadan, and I would like to show you. Lord, be to what 10 will me. Mo fẹ́ gun ibẹ̀ lọ láti fi hàn yín ibi tí mo wà yìí, ibi tó ga jù pátápátá ní Ìbàdàn, ibẹ̀ ni mo wà yìí. And I can say it pé mo ti ń gun lè rí gbogbo 3/4 Ìbàdàn láti ibi tí mo jókòó sí, bí mo ṣe ń wò round tí mo ń wò round, mo lè rí gbogbo Ìbàdàn láti bí báyìí mo wò Cocoa House. Just like pé mo lè fọ́ mo báyìí, but I'll show you from láti ibi tí mo wà yìí, and máa fo drone mi so that you can see it at the same time. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí orí òkè.